G'day DIY, it's Chriso. This was a quick flick. It was a referral job. I did the appearance bathroom, I don't know, about 3 or 4 years ago. And this is the son's house and he's selling it. They're buying a caravan and they're going to travel around Australia. So it was tile over tiles. I primed the old tiles, they were solid, so I've gone straight over the top. I've trimmed the door, silicone around the new tiles there around the toilet. The plumber puts the toilet back tomorrow and they've got their bathroom, or they've got their house ready for sale. Okay, we'll see ya. Bye.